Today we are here to discuss some interesting problems based on multiplication of a fraction by a whole number. So let's start. Some pictures A to C are given below. Tell which of them show 3 times 1 by 5 is equal to 3 by 5, 2 times 1 by 3 is equal to 2 by 3 and 3 times 3 by 4 is equal to 2 1 by 4. So these are the pictures. So let's see them one by one. So let's look at the A part. So here this circle represents 1 by 3 as a fraction. Another circle represents 1 by 3 as a fraction because one part is shaded and total parts are 3. Now if you consider 1 by 3 plus 1 by 3, this can also be written as 2 times 1 by 3. And if we add them together or we combine the shaded parts, what we get? We get total 2 shaded parts. That becomes a fraction 2 over 3. Thus, A is matched to the second part, which is 2 times 1 by 3 equals 2 by 3. Let's look at the B part now. So we have the triangle here. Here 1, 2, 3, 4. There are total 4 parts and out of them 3 are shaded. So the fraction becomes 3 by 4. Again this is 3 by 4. Again this is 3 by 4. So 3 by 4 plus 3 by 4 plus 3 by 4 can also be written as 3 times 3 by 4. So this will be equal to how many total parts? Now if I take one shaded part from here and fill this part, one shaded part from here and fill this part, I get 2 whole triangles and I am left with one shaded part. So that becomes 1 whole triangle, 2 whole triangle and 1/4 of a triangle. Thus together it becomes 2 1 by 4. So we can say B is matched to the third part, which is 3 times 3 by 4 is equal to 2 1 by 4. Next part, this rectangle represents 1/5 of a fraction. Next, again it represents 1/5, 1/5 and together they can be written as 3 times 1 by 5. So this is further equal to 3/5 of a fraction. Thus this can be matched to 3 times 1 by 5 is equal to 3 by 5. I hope this was clear to you. Let's look at the next problem. Find 1 by 2 of 24, or in other words we can say find half of 24. Now of represents multiplication. So this can be written as 1 by 2 times 24. Here the numerator gets multiplied with numerator and the denominator stays as 2, or we can say the denominators also get multiplied because 24 can be written as 24 over 1 and 2 gets multiplied with 1. This further can be written as 1 times 24 is 24 and 2 times 1 is 2. So 24 by 2, which is equal to 12. One more way to solve this problem is that we simply here cut 2 times 1 is 2 and 2 times 12 is 24. Thus 1 times 12 is 12 and 1 times 1 is 1. That's another simple way of solving this. I hope this was clear to you. Let's look at the next part. 4 by 5 of 20. So 4 by 5 times 20 by 1. Now it's up to you whether you multiply the numerators together and denominators together first, or first simplify the numerators and denominators. So here I have simplified first. 5 ones are 5 and 5 times 4 gives 20. So 4 times 4 is 16 and 1 times 1 is 1. So 16 over 1 can also be written as 16. Let's look at the next part. 5 by 8 of 5 by 6. Now whenever you get a mixed fraction, first convert that as improper fraction. So 5 by 8 times 23 by 6. Now we can multiply the numerators together and the denominators together, which is 115 upon 48. This can further be converted into a mixed fraction as 219 by 48. I hope it was clear to you. Let's look at the next problem. Vidya and Pratap went for a picnic. Their mother gave them a water bottle, that contained 5 liters of water. Vidya consumed 2/5 of the water. Pratap consumed the remaining water. How much water did Vidya drink? What fraction of the total quantity of water did Pratap drink? So let's find out the solution here. Water consumed by Vidya, it says 2/5 of the water, and the total quantity of water is 5 liters. So it is 2/5 of 5 liters, which is 2 by 5 times 5, which is 2 liters. Thus we can say Vidya consumed 2 liters of water. Next, we need to find what fraction of the total quantity of water did Pratap drink. Now, if Vidya consumed 2 liters of water, how much water is left? 3 liters, and that is being consumed by Pratap. But we need to find the fraction of the total quantity of water. So, the fraction can be given as 3/5, which is 3 liters as the water consumed by Pratap, and 5 liters being the total quantity of water. I hope this was clear to you. See you in the next module to discuss more about multiplication of a fraction by a fraction. Bye-bye.